Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Moman Solar Lights for outdoor use with motion sensor system. We have two pieces of 294 LED solar lights for outdoor use with 5-meter cable each and 4 modes we can choose from. The IP67 waterproof solar spotlight for outdoor. You can use it on the garden, you can use it on the garage. It's a solar lamp which is solar powered for outdoor use. And we have super bright outdoor solar wall light here with a lot of light emitted diodes. Equipped with 294 super bright LEDs beads, this solar spotlight can provide a super bright lighting for the outdoor use. And the lighting angle can reach 180 degrees. This is much brighter than other similar solar lamps on the market. After they're fully charged for 8 hours under direct sunlight during the day, these solar lights automatically will turn on at the night time and eliminate all the dark corners for us to see what's going on outdoors. This brings us inconvenience and safe feeling to our family and us. And we have a split solar panel with 5-meter cable. So compared to conventional solar lights, they offer a separate solar panel and a light body. And charging is, of course, because of that assembly possibilities, much lighter and easier. Because the body and the charging solar panel can be placed where it's better for it. We can place the solar panel on a sunny place and flexible place the light body in the place we need it. Then we can connect the two parts with the 5-meter cable. The split design makes the connection between the solar panel and the lights more convenient to disassemble and, of course, for maintenance and replacement maybe in the future. That makes it easier to replace parts each to last it longer, to stay this longer, this device at your corners. And we have 4 lighting modes and a smart motion sensor. The solar spotlight has a built-in motion sensor with 120 degrees detection angle and a 5-meter detection distance. It offers 4 modes. We have a sensor light mode. The lamp turns on with 100% brightness when motion is detected. After 20 seconds, it turns off. We have the dim light sensor mode. The lamp lights up with 100% brightness. When motion is detected, after 20 seconds it will be dimmed. And we have a constant on mode. The lamp turns on at night. And we have the SOS mode. The light flash at night as we like. The SOS is maybe for party or something else. And it's IP67 waterproof. It's made of premium ABS materials. These solar lights means you can use it outdoor. It is heat resistant, frost resistant and rust resistant. The solar lamp can withstand all kinds of harsh weather conditions. The solar outer walls light is specially designed for outdoor use, and it's sort of for the balcony, for the garden, for the terrace, for the garage, walkway, for the doors, front doors, for example, for fences, backyards, pastures, porch, and so on. And we have an easy installation with 2 flexible ways. Because this solar security light can be mounted in 2 flexible ways, we can install the solar panel and the light body separated or integrated as needed. We simply connect the solar panel and the light with the 5-meter cable and turn on the lights, and then we can choose a desired lighting mode. The solar lamp can be used indoors or outdoors. Of course, the solar panel you should place outdoors under direct sunlight, and the light can be alternatively assembled indoor as you like. The solar panel can be attached to sunlight and the LEDs, for example, in your garage where it is in a dark corner. And then we install it around about 1.8 up to 2.5 meters above the floor, and then it will makes a good job at nighttime or in dark areas. This is the Moman Solar Lights for router use. It's solar powered, you does not need a power supply by cable. The power supply is the sunlight. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon soon!